Did you know that a simple ginger tea can be a real ally for your health? If you start drinking it every day, you can feel incredible changes in your body. And the best part? These are 100% natural benefits. Ginger is not just a common spice, but a medicinal root that has been used for centuries to strengthen the immune system, speed up metabolism, and relieve pain. Today, we're going to explore the main effects of drinking ginger tea on a daily basis. Stay with me until the end, because many people have no idea how this simple drink can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and even help control blood sugar. If you want to find out how to boost your health naturally, keep watching. Number 1. Improves digestion and reduces nausea. Ginger is one of the best natural remedies for the digestive system, and its tea can be a great ally for those suffering from stomach problems. This is because it contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol and shogaol, which stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and help speed up the emptying of the stomach. If you feel bloated after eating, ginger tea could be the perfect solution, as it improves gastric motility and prevents the accumulation of gas. It also reduces stomach acidity, helping to prevent gastroesophageal reflux and relieving digestive discomfort. But the great thing about ginger is its ability to combat nausea and motion sickness. Whether it's motion sickness, such as when traveling, or even morning sickness during pregnancy, ginger can be extremely effective. Studies indicate that it can be as effective as some antiemetic drugs, but without the side effects. For those undergoing chemotherapy, ginger tea can help minimize nausea, making treatment less uncomfortable. Another little-known benefit is its action on the intestines, helping to balance intestinal flora and prevent constipation. In other words, drinking ginger tea regularly can improve your digestion completely, reducing bloating, speeding up the absorption of nutrients, and making your digestive system work more efficiently. Number 2, accelerates metabolism and aids weight loss. If you're looking for a natural weight loss ally, ginger tea can be an excellent choice. This root has a thermogenic effect, i.e., it increases body temperature and speeds up the metabolism, helping your body to burn more calories throughout the day. The secret lies in gingerol and shogaol, compounds that stimulate the breakdown of fat and improve insulin sensitivity, which can reduce the accumulation of abdominal fat. In addition, ginger tea has an appetite-suppressing action, helping to control that constant urge to snack. Another important benefit is its ability to reduce inflammation, which is essential for those who want to lose weight, since chronic inflammation is linked to weight gain and insulin resistance. Drinking a cup of ginger tea before meals can help digest fats and prevent excessive accumulation in the body. And if you exercise, tea can boost your results even more, as it improves blood circulation and reduces muscle pain after workouts. Best of all, it does this without serious side effects, unlike many slimming supplements. But remember, ginger tea alone can't work miracles. It must be combined with a balanced diet and healthy habits to really accelerate your weight loss. Number 3, reduces inflammation and muscle pain. Ginger tea is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory and is a great ally for anyone suffering from muscle or joint pain or chronic inflammation. Its effect is due to the presence of gingerol, a bioactive compound that works by reducing the production of inflammatory substances in the body, such as prostaglandins. This means that drinking ginger tea every day can help relieve pain caused by intense physical exercise, arthritis, tendinitis, and even chronic pain, such as fibromyalgia. In addition, it improves blood circulation, ensuring that muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, speeding up muscle recovery after heavy workouts. Many athletes use ginger as a natural resource to reduce post-workout pain and prevent inflammation that can compromise performance. Another important point is that ginger can also help with intestinal inflammation, relieving discomfort such as bloating, gas, and cramps. Its anti-inflammatory effect goes beyond the muscles, benefiting even the skin, reducing inflammatory acne and promoting a healthier appearance. Unlike synthetic anti-inflammatories, ginger does not cause side effects in the stomach, making it a natural and safe alternative for those seeking pain relief without harming their health in the long term. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar. Ginger tea can be a great ally in controlling blood sugar, especially for those suffering from diabetes or insulin resistance. This is because ginger improves glucose uptake by cells, making the body more efficient at using insulin. Studies show that compounds such as gingerol and shogol help reduce glucose spikes after meals, preventing that sudden rise in blood sugar that can lead to fatigue, excessive hunger, and fat accumulation. It also fights chronic inflammation, a factor directly linked to the development of type 2 diabetes. Another benefit is that ginger improves the function of the pancreas, stimulating balanced insulin production and preventing complications related to uncontrolled blood sugar. For those looking to lose weight, this regulation of blood sugar is essential, as it prevents binge eating and keeps energy stable throughout the day. In addition, its antioxidant effect protects cells against damage caused by excess glucose, reducing the risk of problems such as diabetic neuropathy and cardiovascular disease. Drinking ginger tea regularly can be a natural strategy for keeping sugar levels balanced, but it should always be combined with a healthy diet and medical monitoring, especially for those already taking diabetes medication. Number 5. Strengthens the immune system. Ginger tea is a real natural shield for the immune system, helping your body defend itself against viruses, bacteria, and other threats. This is because ginger is rich in bioactive compounds, which have antimicrobial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. These compounds stimulate the production of defense cells and help reduce inflammation in the body, making the immune system more efficient. In addition, ginger helps eliminate toxins and improves blood circulation, allowing white blood cells to reach infection sites more quickly. This effect is especially useful during seasonal changes, when the body is more vulnerable to colds and flu. Another important benefit is its action against mucus and nasal congestion, making it an excellent natural remedy for relieving cold and flu symptoms. Ginger also contains antipyretic properties, helping to reduce mild fevers naturally. Its antioxidant effect fights free radicals, preventing premature aging of immune system cells and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. To enhance these benefits, many people combine ginger tea with lemon and honey, creating an even more powerful drink to strengthen the body's defenses. Number 6. Improves circulation and reduces blood pressure. Ginger tea is an excellent ally for heart health, as it improves blood circulation and helps reduce blood pressure naturally. This is because ginger has vasodilator properties, i.e., it relaxes the blood vessels, facilitating blood flow and reducing the burden on the heart. In addition, its bioactive compounds, such as gingerol, help prevent the formation of blood clots, reducing the risk of thrombosis, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. Another important benefit is its action in reducing bad cholesterol and increasing good cholesterol, essential factors for maintaining good arterial health. For those suffering from high blood pressure, ginger can be a natural alternative to help balance pressure levels, as it acts as a mild diuretic, helping to eliminate excess sodium from the body. Its anti-inflammatory effect also protects the arteries from damage and hardening, preventing problems such as atherosclerosis. In addition, ginger improves peripheral circulation, preventing cold hands and feet, and reducing the tingling sensation caused by poor circulation. But it's important to have a balance. Those already taking medication for high blood pressure should consume it in moderation and always with medical advice, as ginger can potentiate the effects of the medication. Number 7. May cause gastric irritation in some people. Despite all its benefits, ginger tea is not for everyone. In some people, it can cause gastric irritation, especially if consumed in excess or on an empty stomach. This is because ginger stimulates the production of gastric juices, which can be beneficial for digestion, but can also cause discomfort in those with gastritis, reflux, or ulcers. Burning sensations, heartburn, and even stomach pain are some of the symptoms that can arise in these cases. In addition, as it is a spicy food with thermogenic properties, ginger can increase the sensitivity of the stomach lining, making it more susceptible to irritation. People who already suffer from digestive problems should consume the tea in moderation and preferably after meals to avoid discomfort. Another tip is to combine it with milder ingredients such as chamomile or honey, which help to reduce its intensity and calm the digestive tract. If symptoms persist, it's best to stop taking it and seek medical advice. After all, each body reacts differently, and what is good for some may not be so beneficial for others. The key is to always respect your body's signals and find the right balance in consumption. The secret of ginger lies in moderation and understanding how your body reacts to this powerful medicinal root. If you want to enjoy the benefits of ginger, the best way is to include it in your routine consciously, trying small amounts and observing the effects. Of course, if you are already taking medication for high blood pressure, diabetes, or gastrointestinal problems, consult a health professional before making ginger tea a daily habit. At the end of the day, nature offers us incredible solutions to improve our quality of life, and ginger is one of them. Knowing how to use this resource intelligently can bring significant changes to your health and well-being. Just for the determined people who stayed until the end of this video, leave a comment here. I stayed until the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to always take care of your health, and see you in the next video.